next question, whether what exactly is this? Is this your passion or it's just a job to you? So if you want to talk about
All right. So this I discovered this. I developed a model around it. I think that everybody starts with something as a time pass. So there are several activities that you do in a day. Some of it time pass activities. Time कटता है भाई. मतलब कुछ कर रहे हो. I'm reading a book. क्यों time pass हो रहा है? ठीक है. I'm painting. I'm drawing something. क्यों कर रहे हो? Time pass हो रहा है. So one आप क्यों क्या कर रहे हो? मैं training कर रही हूँ. क्यों कर रहे हो? Time pass हो रहा है भाई. अच्छा कट रहा है मेरा. So that's a time pass activity. But when you want to take it one step ahead, that becomes a hobby. A hobby is where you're actually investing money. You'll go and buy certain books, you'll start reading, you'll do it as a hobby. Right? You'll do it when you have the time and when you want to use your time more constructively. So the difference between time pass and hobby is now time is being used more constructively. Right? So you will become better at what you're doing. You will try to learn a few new things. Whatever you do gives you a lot of happiness. It occupies your time meaningfully. Right? In time pass, it doesn't get meaningfully occupied, but in hobby, it gets meaningfully occupied. A person who wants to make it or reach the next level, right, that person then turns it into a passion. So there are people who are passionate singers, and there are passionate writers, and there are passionate painters, and of course there are passionate trainers, right? Passion means that now you are getting into it full-fledged. You are surrendering to yourself and your needs and your desires and what you want to do in life, right? It doesn't matter whether you're paid for it. It doesn't matter whether people like it. It doesn't matter whether you are you're doing it continuously and getting extremely fatigued and tired. Passion is when you get into it heart and soul, right? But you do it for yourself. People who are usually very passionate, for them, what the world thinks and what the world says is not really important. So you have people who are passionate singers and you seriously don't like them to sing. You know that they're poor singers, but they will not listen to you. They don't care about what you think about them. They will get into it heart and soul, right? They don't care if you pay them or not. बोलो अरे गाना गाओ बस कहीं भी शुरू हो जाएंगे. उनको पैसे से मतलब नहीं है उनको पेमेंट से मतलब नहीं है. So that's a passion. So many people take up training as a passion or any profession as a passion. When you go up to the next level, this is where I think Asif would, really appreciate and would you. Passion gets turned into a purpose. Passion is very self-focused. Purpose is very other-focused. Right? So when you follow a purpose, now you do it for other people. So when you sing, you will sing for other people to make them happy. When you paint, you will create it for other people because you have a purpose of maybe creating 1,000 paintings in the next 1 year, and you want to, give it away to people and make them feel happy and make them feel connected. Maybe you want to use a training as a purpose because you feel that you want to contribute to people's lives and make them better, make them more evolved and more qualified and more knowledgeable and more, sorted than what they were previously. That becomes your purpose in life. In a purpose, usually about the benefit that people get, that society gets out of it. Even there, commercialization doesn't come in too much. 20-30% ही आता है commercialization वाला thought. में तो आता ही नहीं है. ठीक है, पर्पस में थोड़ा बहुत आता है बिकॉज पता है कि सेल्फ सस्टेन करना है. अगर मुझे ट्रेनिंग करना पड़ेगा तो लोगों के लिए कुछ तो वैल्यू क्रिएट करने के लिए आई हैव टू स्पेंड सम मनी. सो कमर्शियलाइजेशन कम्स इन. 20-30% कमर्शियलाइजेशन आता है. उसका नेक्स्ट स्टेप उसके भी आगे वो है प्रोफेशन. When people say purpose comes above profession, I don't think so. I'll tell you why, and you can agree. Profession mein, you get to do what you really are passionate about just 50% of the time, which means that you're sacrificed. When you are pursuing something with passion, sacrifice doesn't happen. People around you sacrifice for you. While you are planning to become, a guru, a musical guru, आपके इर्द गिर्द के लोग जो आप पर डिपेंडेंट है ना, आप पर निर्भर जो हैं वो लोग, they wait for you to. I've heard of so many people who've given up their careers to become actors. They have a mother, they have a father, they have a wife, they have kids, they have a husband. I mean, they have or family members who were dependent on them, and he or she would give up a job to become an actor. Passion follow करना है. उस समय पर महीने की 1 तारीख पे उनके दिमाग में ख्याल नहीं आता कि मुझे घर पे पैसे देने हैं. भाई माँ बीमार है तो उसको हॉस्पिटल ले जाना है, मैं पैसे कहाँ से लाऊंगा, वो ख्याल नहीं आता है. यू वांट टू परस्यू योर पैशन. सी, सो when you pursue your passion, there are so many things that people around you sacrifice for you. When it gets converted into a purpose, you start sacrificing more of yourself. You start sacrificing for the people whom you want to make a difference to. So people who have taken a purpose in life, who have a vision in life, they start sacrificing their time, they start sacrificing their own comfort for the people who really want to make a difference to. और उसके ऊपर आता है प्रोफेशन में हेल अगर आपको 30, 40, 50% करने मिले ना, the thing that you're passionate about, you're the luckiest person on earth. Because be it a doctor, for example, a doctor is a professional. There's a professional doctor. Tell me, if it was his passion, he would treat people. He would not care about the money coming in. He will go all out, maybe go to the rural places, he'll go to villages, वहाँ जाके वो इलाज करेगा लोगों का. He won't really care कि पैसा आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा. अगर पर्पस में कन्वर्ट करता है, then he will have to build an ecosystem. He'll have to build 2 or 3 people who support him, so that all of them can follow that purpose together. Purpose cannot be followed individually. But when you become a professional doctor, you may want to help people free. But tell me, as a professional doctor running a professional hospital, आप कितना फ्री दे सकोगे? आपको मार्केट में उतरना ही पड़ेगा ना, जाके स्पॉन्सर को ढूंढ के लाना ही पड़ेगा, डोनेशन के लिए खड़े होकर के नाचना ही पड़ेगा, आपको फाइनेंस मैनेज करना ही पड़ेगा, आपको जाके मतलब अकाउंट्स देखना ही पड़ेगा, ठीक है, आपको एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के अंदर देखना पड़ेगा, आपको कंप्लायंसेस देखना पड़ेगा. मतलब 50% ऑफ द टाइम यू कैन बी अ पैशनेट मेडिकल प्रैक्टिशनर, बाकी 50% ऑफ द टाइम यू आर सपोज्ड टू डू दोस थिंग्स दैट मेक्स इट इनटू अ प्रोफेशन. Which means that your personal sacrifice has to, isn't it? Singer देख, अच्छा किसी को भी देख लो ना, अमिताभ बच्चन को देख लो. You take the people who are very common. Take अमिताभ बच्चन, take सचिन तेंदुलकर, take anybody. वो टीवी पे ऐड करते हैं. उनको क्या, आपको क्या लगता है? उनको ऐड अच्छा लगता है क्या? खड़े होकर के कैस्ट्रोल का ऑयल यूज करो, लक्स का अंडरवेयर पहनो. Do they like to do it? They do it because money comes in, and damn it, the customer is paying you money and says तुमको यही करना पड़ेगा. Take singer, अगर मैं passionate singer हूँ, by the way, I'm peer trained in music, so मैं passionate singer हूँ, and I've decided that it will remain a passion. It will not turn into a purpose or a profession. I have decided that very consciously. I'm trained in Hindustani classical, I'm trained in Carnatic classical, I'm a Sufi enthusiast, okay? I'm a fusion enthusiast, and but I don't want to convert that to a profession. क्यों? आज लता मंगेशकर को आप ले लो, आशा भोसले को ले लो. लता मंगेशकर has actually reached the next level. She has continued with the passion purpose part of it. She hasn't profession में उनका वो उतना कदम नहीं रखा. But take anybody else, take Shreya Ghoshal, take Sonu Nigam, take anybody, all these amazing singers, Hari Haran, all of them. They all sing songs which they don't want to sing because the customer is paid them. They all perform in shows where honestly they don't want to. गला खराब है, तबीयत खराब है, कमर दर्द हो रहा है, जेट लैग हो रहा है, doesn't matter. कल शाम को 6 बजे वहां स्टेज पे खड़े होना है, मतलब खड़े होना है. ये 10 गाना गाना है, मतलब गाना है. Whether you like it, don't like it, they sacrifice a lot of their own personal heart and soul in order to make that a profession. ठीक है, वो जाके एड के लिए खड़े होकर के वहां हाथ में टूथपेस्ट लेकर के गाना गाते हैं, वहां पर स्टेज पे खड़े होकर के आधा चड्डी पहन के नाचते हैं. करते क्यों है? बिकॉज प्रोफेशन में ये है कि यू विल गेट पेड फॉर. The customer will pay you, and you'll have to fulfill the expectation of the customer. That's what makes it a profession. In that, if you get to do 50% of what you really love to do, you see the profession sponsor your passion. If you're a professional person, a trainer who does those programs where, well, honestly, you're doing it because the customer told you 23rd June को सुबह 9 बजे वहां खड़े होके नाचना तो पड़ेगा ना, उसके पैसे मिल रहे हैं. वो पैसा लेकर के फिर अगला 2 प्रोग्राम आप मत करना भाई. फिर पैशनेटली आप जाकर के ऑर्फनेजेस में करो, रोड पे रोड शोज करो, थिएटर में जाकर करो. मतलब वो the profession sponsors your passion. So people who really want to build an L&D organization like this, or even who want to take up training, so trainers will have to perhaps decide whether they want to keep that as a hobby, or is it a passion, is it a purpose, or is it So the profession, when you convert that into a profession, then you are bound to ensure that you raise money, that you earn money out of it, so that not only is your passion sponsored, you're also able to create something around it. You're able to engage more people who feel that way about it, who feel that, because you see, when you create money, रोय हम पैसा लेके कहाँ मरने वाले हैं, कितना पैसा लेके मरोगे, ठीक है, आप क्या करोगे, 4 और लोगों को नौकरी पे रखोगे, 2 लोगों का पगार बढ़ा के दोगे, you will go and spend it and ensure that the economy is self-sustaining and it's running. So when you turn something into a profession, many people think that earning money is vulgar. How can earning money be vulgar? How can it be vulgar? The thought must be vulgar. आपका vulgar thought होगा इसलिए आपको vulgar लग रहा है. Earning money is not vulgar. Earning money ensures that you are able to fulfill your responsibilities as a human being. आपके इर्द गिर्द में बच्चे कुछ मांग रहे हैं, आपकी वाइफ कुछ मांग रही है, आपके मदर फादर कुछ मांग रहे हैं, उनका इलाज कराना है, आपका इमीडिएट सर्कल जो है ना, वो कहते हैं ना कि सबसे पहले डोंट गो आउट टू चेंज द वर्ल्ड, change the people, or change yourself for the people who are immediately around you. So you can't go and the basic transformation or making a change in the world starts not from reaching out to the world, it starts with reaching out to the people who are around you. So unke liye you will make life comfortable for them. You'll be able to go out, buy stuff, you will be able to the money is so when somebody says this person is a professional, because से बहुत सारी चीजें आती है. Professional is not just about earning money, it is about living that passion, it is about living that as a purpose, it is about upgrading yourself, it is about creating opportunities for people around you, it is keeping being on the lookout for other people who share your passion and share your purpose and share your profession, so that you can actually be with them, bring them together, more opportunities to collaborate and work together. So when trainers like I said, I have about almost 100 trainers and coaches and consultants who are engaged, who work with me and who help me to execute projects and everything from my organization. When somebody says training is a passion or is my passion, it's actually is a cross over there for me when they first say मेरा passion. क्योंकि मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि क्या उनका पर्पस है, क्या उनका प्रोफेशन है, ठीक है, क्योंकि आपके पैशन को स्पॉन्सर के लिए मेरा कस्टमर पैसा क्यों देगा, रॉय? आपका पैशन है, मैं क्यों स्पॉन्सर? Why should I pay you for your passion? Isn't it? You speak to me about you creating purpose for me. You say कि my purpose is to impart knowledge and speak on team building and build great teams for the customer. I think that will make sense to me. But somebody says, I am passionate as a trainer, I like to speak, and they want me to pay you for you wanting to speak. How is that going to help my customer? So I think that differentiation, I don't know if, oh my God, I'm saying things which are blasphemy, I think, I don't know, but I'm
but
such bold.
Out here, I just want to understand how many trainers would actually reach this level of maturity in terms of defining their stage. Because I wouldn't know of anyone who would have spoken of it this way, that that these are the stages, that you start off as a hobby, it grows into a passion, then a purpose, and then a profession. So maybe because people are not even aware of this kind of model.
Yeah, they're not. Yeah, they're not. I see. So what I do is when somebody says I like to see, when when I'm a psychology enthusiast, people, personality, power and politics, organizational games will play, and so my favorite authors are like Robert Greene, and I like Eric Berne. I like Sigmund Freud to a small extent, to start at certain movements. So psychology is something I'm very passionate about. So when I meet up with people who want to engage with the company, the patient coaches, hey, did you realize something? What? Learners Conclave is also LCPL, and we are also LCPL. So LCPL meets LCPL square. So when somebody comes to engage with us, I do a very in-depth psychoanalysis with them. I use a lot of tools with them to understand whether they will sacrifice, their personal comfort. Will they sacrifice their status quo? Will they disrupt themselves, to create value, to go out of the way to create value for other people? Is it just a passion? Or is it a purpose? Or is this a profession for them? Right? So I really take an effort to reach out to people who may not be aware of it, but already their mind, the DNA is kind of tuned towards converting that passion into a purpose, or converting that purpose into a profession. I look out for people like that. So not everybody who approaches me gets to be a trainer with me. Let me give an example. I will not name names. So, not just one, I have several, but I'll just say, just मान के चलते he बोल के चलते. There's this person who had approached me several years back because that person was passionate about training. Right? So then I said, okay, I met that person. So it was before I actually understood the difference between this and that and wanted. I said, look, that person was pursuing me quite a lot, wanted opportunities, and after some time you kind of give in. You feel bad, no, इतना pursue कर रहा है आपको, तो मैंने कहा ठीक है, I will let you know. I will keep an eye out and definitely recommend you somewhere. And आप ये कुछ करो, ये कुछ काम करके रखो, मुझे एक वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग भेजो. I even set a long list of things that is required. See, you have a choice. Either the customer says item number आके दिखा, मेरे को demo दिखा. I don't want my trainers to go and do demos. Please, I am not interested. Why should आप क्या मल्लिका शेरावत हो क्या कि इसकी कमर को हिला के दिखाओगे? अरे वाह वाह मस्त कमर है, चल दूसरे को बुला उसका कमर देखते हैं. ये क्या है ना? So I always tell them create videos, send the video. I'll send the video to the customer. आप personally जाके डेमो मत करना, ठीक है? क्योंकि वो मुझे नहीं लगता कि डेमो करना चाहिए. डेमो के चक्कर में ना ऑडियंस में 20 लोग को बिठा करके ना मिनी प्रोग्राम फ्री में ले लेते हैं कस्टमर्स. Right? I've seen so many trainers struggling with that. They keep giving demos to customers all the time, and then they don't get paid for it. Yeah, they feel good कि अरे मुझे ट्रेनिंग करना, मैंने डेमो किया. I spoke for 2 whole hours on Teamwork. अबे इडियट, 2 घंटा तुमसे फ्री में ट्रेनिंग कराया, ठीक है, तुमको पे नहीं किया और धंधा तुमको नहीं देने वाले क्योंकि तुम 9,000 रुपए मांग रहे हो. इट्स लाइक आदमी जो 5,000 रुपया मांग रहा है उसको देने वाले ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम. जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट. तो उन्होंने पैशन के लिए किया. आई अप्रिशिएट इट, आई लव इट. आई डू थिंग्स फॉर पैशन. यार मैं कितनी सारी चीजें पैशन के लिए करती हूँ, लेकिन यहाँ पर ट्रेनिंग को मेरे लेके बताओ. सो दिस पर्सन अप्रोच्ड मी, kept following up with me. Finally there came a time when there was an opportunity, and I sent that person and I called up that person and said, listen, a great opportunity for you to talk to me. I will sit with you. Guess what the person says? No, actually going to Mathiran with my family for 3 days, so I cannot actually. I said, oh, is it any occasion or whatever? No, we haven't gone out for a very long time, so I thought we should go out. I said, ये 1 महीना है, मतलब 1 महीने के पहले मैंने को कॉल किया. मैंने कहा तो 1 हफ्ता बाद में करो ना, 1 दिन का सवाल है. फर्स्ट डे वाला है, लास्ट डे का पूछना. मैंने कहा एडजस्ट कर लो. हाँ, फ्राइडे था. दे वर सपोज्ड टू गो ऑन अ फ्राइडे. सो ऐसे ना इसके बदले आप प्रोग्राम के बाद चले जाओ, शाम में चले जाओ, सैटरडे चले जाओ, ठीक है. नो, वी बीन मेकिंग दिस प्लान फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. आई एम सो सॉरी, कुछ और है तो बताइए ना. अब क्या बोलूं? अभी रिसेंटली और एक बहुत सारे हैं, वैसे बहुत सारे बोलेंगे, परस्यू करेंगे, फिर अपॉर्चुनिटी दो तो उनको कुछ और ही करना है लाइफ में. नो, आई हैव अ फैमिली वेडिंग है. वो पैशन हो गया ना. फिर तो आप तो तभी करोगे जब आपका मन करता है. आपको 17 जून को करना है तो 17 जून को करोगे, 18 को नहीं करोगे. क्योंकि अगर प्रोफेशनल होते ना, अगर आपके पास पैसा आ जाता है, द कस्टमर्स ऑलरेडी पेड यू एंड यू टेकन मनी फॉर इट, टेल मी 18th हो, मिडनाइट हो, 3 बजे सुबह हो, करना ही पड़ेगा. So many trainers, I think, delude themselves is what I felt, and I feel bad for them because they will wake up call, there will be a reality check on some particular day. कभी तो फैमिली उठ के बोलेगी ना, पैसा कभी कमाएगा. बच्चे का पढ़ाई कराना है, बेटी की शादी करानी है, बेटी की शादी करानी है, उनका करियर सेट करना है, पैसा कभी आएगा. नौकरी वोकरी छोड़ के ट्रेनर तो बन गए, अब पैसा कभी आएगा, ठीक है. These are people who used to earn, and many of them have earned enough money and kept it. I'll also add one last sentence before you say. People who will convert this into a profession are typically people who cannot afford the luxury of a passion. बैंक के अकाउंट में तुम्हारे पास 50 लाख रुपया है, पैशन तो फॉलो करोगे ही ना. तो पैसा क्यों कमाना है आपको? महीने के 2 लाख के हिसाब से तो आपका आराम से 2 साल चल जाएगा. तब तक तो कुछ ना कुछ तो फिट हो ही जाएगा. जिसके पास जो मजबूरी होती है ना, जिसके घर में ना पैसे नहीं है, जिसके अकाउंट में पैसे नहीं है, who has actually struggled and come up, they will realize that a profession is something. You have to turn your passion into a profession. Do all the things you don't enjoy doing. You have to sacrifice your Saturdays, your Sundays, your midnight sleep, your 11 o'clock sleep, and you will have to sacrifice that. You have to sacrifice it because you see, you don't have पीछे पैसा बना के रखा नहीं है. So I've always felt that people who have a fund, if your family is taken care of, right? If your responsibilities are taken care of, feel free to pursue it as a passion. Anything is a passion. Singing, music, drawing, go dance in the streets, do whatever you want. Passion, करो ना. लेकिन अगर आपकी इतनी responsibilities है, then convert your passion into a purpose and a profession. You'll also earn money so that the people who are around you, they'll continue supporting your passion. You can't infinitely support a passion, no, किसी का. Infinitely किसी support करोगे किसी? तो ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सेटिंग अप में ये सारी चीजें ध्यान में रखनी पड़ती है. हैव टू कीप ऑल दिस इन माइंड व्हेन you actually set up to build an organization, right?
I'm sure there is a lot that you have learned through this video. In case you are a learning and development professional or a learner, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Learners Conclave and click the bell icon to be the first to know of new videos.